Hello everyone, it is Joey and we are back again with another Jetta video today. I'm heading outside. So, what's going on today? Well, I just actually passed a new head gasket. The head gasket came. Actually, let's go look at it. So, back to the kitchen. We're waiting on this, one of the last pieces we needed to finish the engine build. Because we're running more boost, we needed a thicker head gasket for, I don't understand how math works, but we needed this one and now it's here. So that's great. But now we don't have a head. So remember when this has been an issue now for a few weeks. Not a few weeks, a few episodes. We have the head, we have two heads. The original one, that block is fucked. That head, it's not bad, not great. And then we have the new block that we're actually going to be using. It's a bit rusty, but we got to clean that up, but everything's good there. And the head that came out of there was complete garbage. Those valves popping and stuff. So, what I need to do now is I reached out to a company that sells VR6 heads ready to go. Called them, placed an order, gave them $400. $400, that's not bad. And they said they do not have a head for the VR6 right now. But if I send them back this one, they will machine this and get it working. And it takes 5 days, which isn't crazy considering I have to like ship it to Texas. They finish it, work it on it, and ship it back to me. So in today's episode, we are going to clean off this head, get it packed up, and we're going to go drop it off. And then I'm going to start working on that block with the metal brushes and Scotch-Brite and stuff like that to get that cleaned up. Because we got a bunch of paint, and I'm super stoked because I can't tell you what color it is, but like I put a poll up on Instagram stories and you guys picked the same color that I was thinking, and you upset all of my friends who are working on this, like Led and Lauren and Ian, because they didn't like the color, but I love it, and you guys do too, so that's all that matters. Thanks for getting my back. No one's coming over tonight. It's a Monday after Woodward weekend, so it's just gonna be me. So let's get started. Alright, so I don't know if I'm actually on screen. Maybe I am. Let's check. Alright, so what we need to do is basically take, I believe these are the manifolds, whatever this is, and that off. And I don't have no idea how to do any of that. So let's flip this bitch. Let's take the easiest thing off first, which is this oil dipstick thing, which I believe that's probably going to be a 10. So let's find out. Is it a 10? It's a 10. Alright, that's off. Let's get this bitch off. Need like an Allen of some sort. Well, that worked. I'm going to bring the camera over so you guys have a better idea of what I'm doing. Okay. Alright. Need an extender. Bring this chair over and work from this side since it sits stable on that side. I don't know if that's reusable or not, but I'm going to keep it. Ugh. Look at that. No, it's not. All right. Let's get whatever the hell that is. I literally have no idea what this is. I would assume something with oil, maybe? I think oil makes sense, right? Also a 10. Alright, so I think we have to switch back. Something different. Spray it down with that. I think this oil pan, I don't know what this is. I think it's an oil pan. I think this needs to come off. So it's not a 10, smaller than that. Is it already loose? It's already loose. So I had to call lead because I didn't know what I needed to take off. But it seems like, it seems like I kind of do. Everyone was very impressed, which feels good. So I'm going to continue to take off this manifold, and then I have these gears that I need to take off. I don't really know how to do that, but you know what? That's the point of this channel. We're learning while we're doing. I don't know if I'm actually in camera at all, but you guys can hear my voice, you can see my hand. And that's the value of movie making magic. It's a rusty boy. Let's figure out how to take these gears off. Alright, so when I do this, it's definitely not taking it off. It's just... Fuck. Alright, I gotta call lead because I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so I had to call Led, and he was having dinner, so I felt really bad. But I'm trying to get this off, and it's a complete pain in the ass. And I'm having trouble doing it. See if I put my foot there. You know, one of those days that you're not really in the right mood or the headset to do something? It's kind of right now. I've been trying to do this. I'm not really getting any progress. I'm waiting on a text back from the guy who owns the head redoing place. The head machine shop that redoes heads. I don't know. To see if it's okay to leave these sprockets on here. In fact, they're part of the timing chain setup. Because I can't get them off. And I don't want to be obnoxious and have to wait for Led or Lauren or anyone else to come see if they can figure it out. So hopefully I can send it like this. But I feel pretty defeated. I did a lot of Googling today, which I feel is pretty nice to actually like work on things and like get frustrated and have to figure out a way around. Obviously it didn't go as planned, but we'll continue this video. Yeah, tomorrow we'll start working on that block and hopefully get this shipped out with the correct answer. Fingers crossed. So this is probably gonna be like a pause in the middle of the video, or the end of a video. We'll find out. Well, the head for the VR6 is at UPS, and it's going to make its way down to Texas, and hopefully in the next 5 to 7 days, we're going to have a new, fresh head with springs and valves built for the Jetta. Yeah. Nina's here with me, my sister. You guys know her from previous videos, such as, I don't know. It's something on YouTube or whatever.
At NeensB, 3Es_B.
You don't have to follow her. Please don't, actually. It's probably weird if you do. Also, she's not very good at TikTok. So, there's that. But, more Jetta stuff. Let's go.